Hello everyone, this is Kaushik, CEO of Viba. I have interacted with so many of you people regarding Freshman Ideathon, which is exclusively for first year students. Uh, we have got around 100 registrations till now. March 1st, 5 p.m. is the deadline for registering your teams. After that, we are not going to entertain any team for registration. So, whatever posters I have given and registration link, please share to many so that others who are interested they also can participate. So once the registrations are closed, we will be forming WhatsApp groups based on your departments, like CSC department one WhatsApp group, machine learning and data science one WhatsApp group, EC one WhatsApp group. Like that, we do WhatsApp groups. In each WhatsApp groups, our organizers and mentors will be there. Every group will have at least 4 to 5 members who will be mentoring you people in choosing your problem statement, and if you have any problems they'll be there to support you. So that is what the next step which happens. Once WhatsApp groups are formed and your mentors list will be given, their phone numbers are also will be given to you people. Any doubt you can directly approach them. I am always available. If you have any problem you can approach me also. Once these WhatsApp groups are formed, third, fourth, and fifth will be our first round and second round. Okay, basically, freshman ideathon consists of 3 rounds. First round is problem statement selection. Okay, so you need to select any problem, anything like agriculture. What kind of technological solutions you can give in agriculture? What kind of technological solutions you can give in healthcare? Otherwise, any new technologies are there in IoT, electronics, mechanical, civil, artificial intelligence. Okay, anything. See, the basic intention is you people have to explore on internet what all the technologies, what all new technologies, cyber security, anything. See, blockchain, any new technology. If you want to explore about the technology, and if you have any problem statement which is identified, how do you solve that problem with that technology? For that, no need of any tech I mean programming language is required. Any hardware programming is not required. Just you have to find the problem statement and you have to present it in an abstract way. Okay, so the abstract or the presentation, it can be having 3 slides. So it should have the problem statement, which means what is the problem in the society, and then what are the existing solutions to that problem or existing companies. Let's suppose you want to give any technological solutions for agriculture. So for that there is some Indian company called Fasal. Okay, that is one company. What that company is doing, if you explain what are the existing companies which are working in that problem statement, if you find that also you include, and what are the existing solutions for the problem statement which you have chosen, that also you can include. Okay, and if you want to propose something out of that existing system, then propose it. This is what we require in your first round. I'm again telling, first is the problem statement and the area which you are choosing, and what are the existing solutions and existing companies who are working for that solution, and the third thing is what do you want to propose. So this you need to make it as a document or PPT and you have to send it. Don't worry, at every point our organizers or mentors will be there in your WhatsApp group. Anytime you can contact them. Second round will be algorithm or flowchart round. So you need to draw flowchart or algorithm or block diagram for the problem statement which you have given in your first round. That is your second round, right? And then third round will be it will be offline round. We are thinking to conduct it offline. So for the first round and second round there won't be any elimination. Okay, so after second round we will combine the marks of your first round and second round, and whoever gets good marks, they will be selected for the third round. Okay, let's suppose out of 100 teams we might select at least 25 teams for the final round. The final round will be there in the college premises, that we will inform later. So in the third round you have to come again in the seminar halls, whichever seminar halls we tell. You have to come there and you have to present your idea as it is. So based on that we will select at least top 3 or top 5 from top 25. So this is what about freshman ideathon. So again 3 rounds will be there. First round and second round will happen online completely, and third round offline or online, I'll be informing it later. Okay, So this is what it is. If you have any doubts, you can contact our mentors. So they are there to help you. They are none other than your seniors only. They're all Viba employees who will help you. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can always contact me also. Before contacting me, you contact your mentors or organizers so that it will be easy. Okay. So yeah, that's it. All the best. I always tell, winning or losing is not doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You are in top 5, top 25. It's not the thing which we consider always. It's participation. If you just participate in the event which we are conducting, and if you enjoy the process, okay, this if you see this whole freshman ideathon, we are going to steer your logical analysis, communication skills, and problem solving capabilities. So in the this way we will be conducting so many events in your 4 years period. Okay. So first, if you participate, then you will understand what we are going to do and what we are trying to extract from you people. So winning and losing doesn't matter. Just participate. If you don't have any idea, you can talk about any technology also. Like, let's suppose you are department technology. If you are in AI, talk about AI and its applications. If you are in electronics and communications, talk about IoT and its applications. If you are in civil, talk about your department and what kind of technologies are used in your department. Likewise for mechanical and other departments also. So that's it, guys. All the best. Hope I see all of you in freshman ideathon. Thank you very much.